We're going away up there. You didn't actually see my hammock. I'm getting too old for climbing up hills. Well, what I'm going to do is going to be a free parter. So the next part will be at night time. There's a wee surprise coming for you, so later on the night. So stay tuned for that one. Slightly better view. So guys, we've got a nice surprise coming. Come in. Oh, eat. Aye, now comes the awkward part now. Off with the fested snakes and the corn snakes and that. So this has got to be fun. God, fighting Batman. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to show you the last time. Off through the woods we go. Oh, where's that? We're walking through the forest. We're walking through the forest. Now this is what you call dangerous. Go, go. I'm embarrassing. I'm doing it. I'm bouncing on the metal fence. What bit not do that? We're walking through the forest. We're walking through the forest. We're walking through the forest. What? Oi, fuck. I think it's time for tea time now. Okay. Aye, but it's been a cracking night. I think I decided because it was a perfect, much of a perfect day today, I decided to take a chance and go away hammock camping and that. Humps and bumps and humps and humps. There comes the zombie apocalypse. Oh, did anybody's phone go off on Sunday with the red amber alert? So if you do, give me a wee comment back, please, to let me ken that. But till then, keep on fishing and be safe.